In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your GitHub account in the terminal. Whether you're handling multiple accounts for work or personal projects, this task can seem daunting, but worry not, because by the end of this video, you'll feel confident navigating these changes seamlessly. To start, let's first review your current Git configuration. Open your terminal and type in the command git config, global. List. This will display a list of your global Git configurations, including your current username and email. It's always a good practice to know what your existing settings are before making changes, so you can ensure everything is configured correctly later on. Once you've checked your current identity, it's time to update it with the new details. To change your git commit identity, use the command git config, global user.name, your new name. Replace your new name with the actual name you want to use. Following this, update your email with g@config, global user.email your new email at example.com. Again, be sure to replace your new email at example.com with your actual email address. These commands update your global Git configuration, so all future commits will reflect these new credentials. Remember to choose a professional email that you have access to, as it's often used for notifications and important communications. After updating these details, it's vital to verify that the changes have been made correctly. To do this, simply rerun the command git config, global, list. This will show you the updated configurations, and you can confirm that your new name and email are appearing as expected. Next, it's important to check the remote repository settings to ensure everything is aligned with your new identity. You can do this by issuing the command git remote v. This command will display the URLs of the remote repositories linked to your local project, which is crucial if you're working with multiple repositories or have recently changed your GitHub username. If you need to update the repository remote URL, use git remote set URL origin https with github.com/username repository.git, replacing username and repository with your actual GitHub username and the repository name. This ensures that your local changes will push to the correct remote repository. Testing the GitHub connection is another crucial step, especially if you use SSH for authentication. Run the script git@github.com in your terminal to verify that your SSH keys are correctly configured and that you can